Well, would you look at that? Hello? Can anyone hear me? I'm not the tech person. The tech person is gone. All systems go, we're working. Oh, that's wonderful. As you can see, it is me, myself, and I today. And usually anytime I start the stream, like if Smiley's building and I'm the one in like the computer chair, something always goes wrong. So I was very stressed out that was gonna happen. Coming here was my only plan for today. Did you guys see that? Oh my god, earthquake. As you can see, it's gonna be a totally normal stream today. What the hell is this right here? Totally normal, you know. And that's what today, yes, you know? Is Smiley in the house at least, or do you also have to take care of the cats? Smiley just up and left and abandoned these sweet babies. So, as the good Samaritan I am, and the saint and wonderful spiritual human being I am, I thought, do you know what, I can't just abandon. I just cannot abandon. I want to build my 30-minute sister, so it's going to be a completely normal stream. Totally normal, nothing out of the ordinary, and that's the plan. Do you guys hear that? I'm gonna go check on that, hold on. Well. So I heard everybody here needed some tech support. What the hell is this right here? Oh, that's sweet. Okay. What the hell's going on here? See, Peanut sent me up here because she didn't know what the hell's going on with this camera thing. I'm just gonna close these up. Who the hell needs it? You can't rely on technology. It's the devil's work. So how's everybody doing? It's been a while. Been a while since I've seen everybody here last. I think Peanut said she's gonna investigate what the hell that noise was. It was coming from the kitchen. You know. Excuse me. Sometimes that happens. It's you know, some people who can't grow facial hair to get toupees and stuff. Don't worry about it. Can I help you, mister? Is there something I can do for you? I think they were startled by the noise that was happening downstairs. Oh, but look at this. Isn't this nice? You gotta spend some time with your great uncle. Hey, mister. Mr. Pokey. That's her name, right? Pokey. That I remember. Peanut called me for backup because she knew I was a responsible adult. So yeah, goodbye later. Don't worry about it. Okay, so it told me to take over, and it seems like, whoo, she wanted me to take over and get on with this girl. The resemblance to Peanut is quite canny, except for the tan skin. Peanut could never. She wishes, but she could never. Is this your doing? Now, I've never built one of these before, but I'm sure it can figure it out. Now, it's not going to be perfect, because hell, shoot, nothing is. It's not perfect, but this isn't so bad. For a temporary kind of thing, this isn't so bad. Now, Cat, I'm going to need you to fucking relax. This will be my little partner for today. Here we go. Okay. See, this will work just as well. This is alright. Let's see what we got in here. Now, that's all of I don't know, some girls or something. This is the character's base body, which can be customized. Customizes with the include armor parts. Okay. Option parts sold separately. Okay. Customize. Here you go. Here's some more customization stuff. Here's all of the all little bits and stuff. The parts list. It seems like all these parts are going to be used in some way or another, so that's fine with me. That makes it easy. Snap the runners, gather the parts. Okay. Snap the runners, gather the parts. Snap the runners, gather the parts. Okay, so what the hell do we got going on here? This is a D runner, B runner, D. These look like hair wig pieces. And I guess this is A. Alright, that's easy enough. That's not too many. Okay, what do we got here? What the hell is this? C runner. Okay. So it seems like we're building her top half here. So I'm just going to get started on that. See how it goes. I have some tools here that Peanut left out for me. Nothing too crazy. Looks like similar to wire cutters. For all you normal people out there. Now it's telling me to pick a face. I would like all y'all to pick a face for me if that's alright. We have 3 to choose from. Alright, we're gonna go for 2. That's had the most votes, so we're gonna y'all can all stop now. We're gonna do number 2. Peanut strikes me as a 3. Well, this isn't going to be Peanut's face because it's too tan. So don't worry about that. And we've picked number 2. Very neutral. Very neutral. I do like the size of her eyebrows. I still think the Insider Cat did something to the sister. You better keep your fucking mouth shut. Now let's keep things airy and lighthearted, gang. We don't want to keep things too down in the dumps. Now, if you do mention something like that again, I will have to IP ban you from the stream. We're going on a no toleration policy here, and I don't mess around. You know, I've been in 7 world wars, and I'm not about to put up with anything else. I'm retired now. You know, I'm looking for a peaceful life. And you don't know what war crimes I've committed and the war crimes I will commit. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Megas. I respect that respect. Smiley did tell me these little gals here, these sisters, these 30-minute sisters. But let me tell you, I won't be getting this done in 30 minutes. Likelihood of that's almost none. But they were very nice and smooth and easy to build. So I'm really hoping that's the case. And it's, I'm just going to cut out all the hair pieces all at once and figure it out. Can I help you? That's very disrespectful, walking right in my workspace. Whoa, who's this and where did Peanut go? It's very nice to meet you. Put her there. This cat is driving me up the walls. Up the walls. Do not eat plastic. Nothing more refreshing and hydrating than a nice cold beer. That looks fine. That looks fine. Okay, what am I doing? What the hell am I doing here? Telling me to put this shit together? Yarr. Okay, yeah, let's get her done. Get her done. I feel like my accent is being attacked here. Death Sight, it's very nice to meet you, howdy. I'm not too sure what the hell you're talking about, but come on in here. Welcome. I think I just fucking cut myself. There you go. Let's attach her little noggin onto this, and bada bing, bada boom. We're getting there. Look at her. We're getting there. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay, it's telling me to cut this shit out carefully, and I don't like being told what to do, so I'm just gonna hack away. Yeah, letter 14 and number A. That is correct. torso. Now would you look at that? Now I didn't go to school. I was homeschooled until I was 30 years old. Okay, that's good enough. I don't know what the hell this is. Get her done. That's what I'm saying. You just gotta get her done. And there we go. Look at this. Got my first MG 100 gunner. Zaku warrior. I'm not too sure what culture what a Zaku is. Where Zaku's from. Okay, that's one down. God, this takes fucking forever. Okay, biceps are done. And there we go. We got one arm done. You know, sometimes you can help it, sometimes oh shit. Hold on here. Let me just get these back on here. There we go. Sometimes, hey, you know, don't get old. Now I do have a question. I need to make a YouTube highlight reel of Uncle Walnut. Now I don't go on the YouTubes, but just make sure you get my good side. If it comes out, I'm gonna want to show all my buds. I'm gonna want to show all my my friends, my boy friends, not my boyfriends, but my boy friends. Gonna want to show some of my pals when I get back home. They'll think I'm famous. A song and dance. Do you want me to sing and dance for you? I see something called Peanut. What the hell's that? What the hell's happening here? What the hell's this? Gundam. Oh. Now what the hell? What is this? Don't look, Uncle. It's too late. It's too damn late. I've already seen it. Now what the hell was that? Kids these days, you know, you need to go outside more and you know, climb some trees and breathe in that fresh air and get some sunshine, because all this screen is just getting right to your head. Are you proud of us, Uncle? I don't know about this. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see nothing. Go about my business. So I am gonna do this, but don't you dare say I don't do nothing for you. Look at this little idiot. There we go. Give her some arms. Ka-chow. Shablamo. You need to get yourself figured out, sister. There we go. There, she got some arms. No, Peanut's downstairs. There was a bit of a kerfuffle. Now, she did start on stream and say hi to everybody, but she had to run downstairs. And she sent me up here just to keep things moving, keep the ball rolling. She figures things out. Now, that was quite a while ago. Now that you mention it, that was about 2 hours ago. So I am starting to get slightly concerned as to why she has not come back upstairs. She better not have left me here, you know. Now, I do say that as a joke, but I am slightly concerned. Now, I would like to address the elephant in the room. I did misplace my goatee. Okay, click this all shit together, and there we go. Put this in here, and we got a second leg. We'll just look at that. There you go. Oh, there he is, the big boy. Here's the biggin. Now you're gonna pick this up yourself. You're gonna be a big boy. That was very good. Good job. Goodbye. Now let me tell you, she doesn't look very armored up. She's very out in the open. Skin is exposed. If she got in a real fight, she'd probably get her ass whooped. Okay, so I'm gonna start with... Hell, I don't know. Oh shit, I almost lost that one too. I used to get my fair share of fisticuffs going to the bar with the buddies, with my boy friends. I would give them so many lefts they'd be begging for a ride. Shoot, you know what I'm saying? So I do appreciate that this gal is ready for a fight. You know, code grass, code gears, code gears. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Kids these days just start talking out their ass. Now what the hell? So this lass needs to figure out her what her situation is, cause it's keeps coming off and it's driving me absolutely bonkers, driving me up the wall. One of them down. Now which side? Fucking shit balls. Hold on now. Now I'm just dropping shit. She gets a little shield. That's fun. Wow, there, look at that. Is this it? Well, shoot. And there she is. And there she is. She's all done. Look at her. I guess I'm all done. I don't know what happens from here. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm just gonna, I guess, put some of this shit away. And then I'm gonna go find Peanut, because she hasn't come back up, and it's been almost 4 hours. Let me tell you, that girl, sometimes she don't pay no attention to nothing. And I wouldn't be surprised if she was just downstairs. Completely forgot about me, forgot about us, and just was watching on the telly or something, or taking a nap. Look at all these wonderful words. Thank you guys so much for having me. It was a hoot and a holler. Hoot, holler and a half. Let me tell you, this was pretty good. First time doing one of these. And the pieces were a little small for my big manly hands. I'm going to go downstairs and see if I can even find where she is. Now, if I can even get up, because my bones, I've been sitting like this in this poor posture. Get that blood flowing here. Yeah, get that blood flowing. Oh, these old joints, these old bones. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Sorry. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. I said I'm sorry. What the hell happened up here? Said he finished it. Which, wow, he did. I hope everyone had fun listening to his madness, and I hope he didn't ramble on too much about random things and that kind of stuff. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. I love you all. So long, farewell.